Samantha.
And what are today, Winton School? I'm Kaylee. Welcome to N.E.W.S News for our upper 5th of August.
We start the day with some health and safety news. There is still mud out there, people.
If it's an outside day, make sure you're playing in areas that are clean and relatively dry.
And well done everyone for yesterday's effort at CSC.
We have another big day tomorrow and we'll be up there all day.
That means no heat-ups, no bakery orders, because we won't be there.
And no news either, so break a leg tomorrow night.
Ow, I broke my leg.
I didn't mean it.
Ow.
Okay, on to te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is whaka-oho,
which is te reo for wake up, as in whaka-oho e te tau.
Wake up, darling.
Okay, most students are doing the right thing and wearing their Hi Viz vests to and from school. Please do likewise.
Right, but it's library day. Kick your shoes off and enjoy a good book.
The library is open from 12:40 for returns, browsing and issues.
And if you miss any of the notices, you can play the news again, or you can read all the notices in the text box below.
Birthday news. Jamie Lee Briggs is turning the big Hero 6. Happy birthday, Jamie. Have a great day.
And that's all for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S News team, ka kite a popo.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay classy. WINTON School.